So as you saw in our recent camping video, Jess went and brought this $40 cheap RC car from Kmart, and we immediately went and broke it. So I know it's only a $40 thing, but I figured may as well fix it. So we're gonna fix this and upgrade the rest of them while we're at it. So as you can see, if I just hold straight down on the controller, it goes left. So as you can see, it's this little arm here, which there are 4 of. Here, and here. It's snapped right in there. So what we're going to do is, you see there's a little screw there. You take that out, take out the screw at this end, and that should pop out. I'm going to do that for all 4. Then I'm going to take them out and trace them onto this bit of aluminium, and then cut them out, drill holes in them, and replace these little weak plastic bits with some aluminium that should hopefully be a bit stronger and last longer than these have. First off, I might just take off the wheels with these little screws here, make it easier to actually get to these screws. So I was only able to get 1 of the 4 wheels off like that because they just don't want to let go. Can't get the screws to actually loosen up, so instead of wasting time trying to figure that out, I'll probably just get my right angle screwdriver onto that one and get it out like that, and then just take this one off with a normal screwdriver. So this is my right angle screwdriver that we're using to get the other ones out. And there's the lucky last one. Now they're all out. Very wobbly now. Now I'm going to chuck the tire back on and just see how it drives without all those, whatever these are called. I don't know what they're called. I know they're generally just hold it all in place, but I don't actually know what they're called because I don't know that much about suspension, that really. Oh, there are 2 shorter ones here that hold the whole axle in place. Which realistically, they may as well replace those ones as well, hey? But I don't think I'll be able to ride it without those in, so I'll put the tires on, see how it rides without all those in, see how bad it is, and then we'll take these out as well. Definitely has a cool little stance on it now, but it moves around a lot. Look at that, like, pop, 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 pop. So that was fun, but it did definitely show how important these little dudes are. So, like I said, we'll take these ones out, and then we'll make up all of them in aluminium. everything out of it now. I'll show you the stance on it now. So as you can see, it's lost like all of its rigidity. It's literally just folds down now. So I very much doubt I would even be able to get this to drive at the moment. So now we will take this piece of aluminium and cut some of these out of it. And then we'll use the drill press to drill the holes through it. And yeah, should be good. Now before I go any further, I just want to say that if you're into RC cars, you should go check out Matthew Sims' YouTube page. He does a lot of things about RC cars, and he's a lot more knowledgeable about them than I am. He's not just using cheap Kmart ones, he uses actual proper ones, gives some good reviews, some good ideas about them. So if you have any questions, go to his page, ask him, watch his videos, and yeah, I'm sure he'll love to help you. So now I've got all my little pieces put onto the aluminium, and then I'm going to take this Texstar, trace around. I'm obviously going to trace around one of them twice because this one's broken. And yeah, then we'll get to cutting out. So using the Texstar was just too hard. Couldn't get a clean line, so instead I just got some spray paint we had laying around. Put the things down, spray painted them. Got an extra one because these back ones are pretty shitty, so hopefully they'll be good enough for me to cut some out of. I'm sure I'll make it work either way. So next up is cutting. So a jigsaw with a wooden blade would be a lot better for this, but I don't have one of those available right now, so we're just going to use the grinder and hate our life the whole time because this shit sucks to do. Not gonna lie, I am wishing I'd done this out of something other than aluminium, but made it this far, so may as well keep going. Yeah, just hope it all works out. That's what it's about, is figuring out what does and doesn't work and just going with it. Mistakes happen. Just gotta keep going. Now, I got this for free when I used to be a panel beater. I don't know if this is the right grinding stone for this. Pretty much guarantee it's not. But we're gonna roll with it because it's what I've got and go work with what I've got. So as you can see, I've got one of the things made and put back in. Well, trial and error to figure out how to do it. Obviously, using the bench grinder didn't work, so I ended up just using a grinding disc on this, clamping the aluminium to this piece of steel and going about it. It takes a decent amount of time. That took a long time because draining the batteries, and then it was too hot, so the batteries wouldn't charge. I had to take them aside, cool them down to get them to charge. Whole thing. So that's why I did that off camera. I'm probably going to do the rest off camera. Basically, it's just taking your time with the grinder, getting the edges of this ground down, just slowly going back and forth and grinding it all down. And then yeah, just got to drill the holes with the drill press. I'll show you the ones of those next time. I just wanted to get that one finished to prove that it worked. Now that I know that it works, I'll go ahead and finish up all of these. So here are all the pieces cut out and drilled. They look so bad. But hopefully they'll work. It doesn't really need to be pretty. I would have preferred if they were a bit prettier, but honestly I just didn't have the right tools to do it properly, so I ended up just pretty much butchering it. But now we're just going to find out if they fit. If they fit, then it's still a win, just not a very pretty win. Well, there is the end to that idea. Just completely snapped the center holder part off of the axle. So, this didn't work. Yay. Bye. So I probably could just say stuff it. I'm not going to worry about uploading this video, considering that this did not work. But I don't want to just upload the things that go right. I want to show you also that I f**k things up. So I'm going to upload this video as well. Yeah. Maybe I'll figure out a way to fix it from here. Maybe it's a completely lost cause and it's not worth fixing and we should just bite the bullet and buy a better one. But yeah, that's thought for another day. I've been filming for like 10 hours today. I just want to go inside and relax. So yeah, till next time, hope you enjoyed. Don't follow this as a tutorial because it doesn't fucking work.